Hi there and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. So today we are going to see search in data table in Vue. So let's get started with today's video. So that's the table I have created, and here you can see search bar in data table. So as of now, if I'll search, it is not working as I have enabled server side processing. So if you want to do it dynamic search, then please enable server side processing. And if I'll show you in network, so let's see, let me cross and again show you. So here you can see payload, and if we will go down, then you can see search value is blank. And if I'll type anything in search bar, then another API will be hit. And if I'll go to payload, then you can see search value it's having that particular value I typed in search bar. As of now, all 55 records are returned because search is not applied in backend, so we need to apply that. So here you can see 55 entries, and if I'll show you in DB as well, so DB also you can see it's having 55 entries, so all are displayed as of now. So now let's apply search. So now let me show you code. So table, you can see ID, it's having contact table, you can see headers, then jQuery is imported, data table is imported, and ref and on mounted also imported. And in on mounted you can see data table is applied, ajax is hit, that is hitting API, contact list, and data source is data key, so that is provided, and after that columns are defined. So if I'll show you Laravel backend side, so api.php, you can see contact list, it's going to contact controller index function, and in index function you can see contact list count as of now, both total and filtered, because as of now search is not applied, so that's why all count I'm sending. And then you can see pagination, and last all result are sent to response. So total records and filter records you need to send to work your data table properly. So now let's apply search here. So first let's see contact list, and contact list we will be adding where condition. So as of now I'm applying on name and write request, and it will be search field is coming in our payload. So now filtered records will be coming after search, because it will be like these all are searched. So let me rearrange. So after total count I need to search, then we will be getting filtered records, then pagination will be applied. Now apply one more condition, that search should not be blank, because in the starting we did not enter anything, then it will check for blank string, but we need all data, and if we are searching anything then only it should give result of searched like data. Let me hold this in a variable request search, because it's an array and I need only value one, because value we need to search. So let's say search value, that will be equals to request search, and after search it will be key value, that will be giving me search value, and if that is not blank, then I'm going to search in name for search value. So let's review. So this records total is for total records, number of total records. So now search is for filtering the data, and after that we have filtered count, whichever data we have filtered, count of that. Then we have pagination, and finally we are sending result to our view. So now let's see in browser. So in network I'm searching contact. So now you can see all records I'm having 55. Now let's search, let's say thrusters. So you can see only one record I'm having as of now, and you can see this also changed, showing 1 to 1 of one entry filtered from 55 total entries. And if I'll change, let's say to KT, so still you can see it's searched, and data also changed according to searched. So let me show you in network payload, and if I'll go to searched, so you can see KT, it's going to backend, and it's search according to KT, and it's checked in name column basically. So but if I'll change to only one character K, you can see it's not search, it's going for all, because it's like checking for particular entry. For to match a character or something like that, you need to apply like in your query. Here I can add one more option like, and I can change my search value in percentage, so it will look for this particular pattern now. And now let's go and refresh. So now let's search in search bars. So K, now you can see values are coming which are having K character in that. Let's see if you want to search with combination of two columns, how you can do that. So if I'll search with kt at the rate, so now you can see there is no result as of now. So now let's make the changes for combination of columns. So now let me add one more where condition, change to email and apply or where. So that will be search in email, and I think O is small and W is capital. So now let's see. So now let's refresh in browser. If I'll search with kt at the rate, so now you can see there is result. One result is there, that is kt at the rate gmail.com. And in payload also you can see search value kt at the rate is going. And if I'll just search with k, then you can see total entries, 23 entries now coming from out of 55. So now it's searching both. So here you can see it's having k and email is not having, and email is having, so it will come as combination. Search depends on which column you want to apply and how you want to apply, depends on your project requirements. But that's how you can apply search in data table in Vue. So that's all in this video. If you have any doubt related with this topic, then you can comment down in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.